Welcome to the world of leadership, experience, and strategic thinking. Here, it's a Systech Business School. Here, MBA is just not a degree, it's a complete transformation from academic learning to real corporate leadership. Good morning, ma'am. So, what our students do?
This is our data analytics lab. Here we have various tools like SPS, Power BI, Tableau, where the students don't just guess solutions, they actually analyze and research on the real-time data.
Thank you.
Beyond academics, Systech Business School encourages holistic development, whether it is through business conclaves, leadership clubs, or cultural evening. Students here grow individually, not just professional.
We collaborate with the company to provide students with hands-on learning through live project, mentorship, and project session.
Our students tackle real-world challenges through case studies, simulation exercise, and peer-to-peer interactions. At Systech Business School, learning is practical, focused, and industrial aligned. The goal is simple: to turn knowledge into actions.
Sir, how does Systech Business School ensure students are ready for real industry roles?
Systech Business School is a part of Sagar Group of Institution. We at Systech Business School cater to all kinds of students from various diverse backgrounds, be it from urban, rural, or any part of the country. Our core values, or should I say the strategy, is the three-pronged strategy, which is one, at a faculty level, we have got a diversity into various backgrounds and the right mix of corporate and academics. At a student level, the learning level, we have got three types of learning. One is the didactic learning, which is of course the perennial, which is a legacy of the lecture-based learning, which is helped by, enabled by our library and our 60 computers lab. Second is the active learning, where we promote the flipped class learning and the case analysis and simulation, whereby we involve the student to engage into that learning and help the entire group, help the entire student fraternity to go to the next level. Third is the experiential learning, where we focus on the hands-on experience, which is going to the industrial visits and internships, live internships, and capstone projects. The most innovative one which we have started is to going in the market and meeting the customers, be it consumer level, be it B2B or B2C, so that our student helps and learn the real insights from the market. We also give the leadership skills by having three types of our clubs, which is under the Management Activity Council, where all kinds of activity, be it making a festivals or contest or any kind of events, are handled by the students. Now this is divided into three parts. One is Market On for marketing, then you have Money Maverick for finance, and Talent Tribe for HR. Now along with this, we have focus on the data analysis. Why? Because of the evolution of technology, we are making our students ready with the new technologies like Power BI or all kinds of tools which are required to be industry ready. At the same point of time, we also focus as per the student. So there are students who are weak in communication or weak in any other soft skill. So we have divided these students into three parts. One is the Pathfinder, wherein we give the entire end-to-end training, be it communication, be it language, or be it any kind of industry recognition. And second is the inductive pilot, which is they are better than the other the Pathfinders. However, we give them industry readiness program, which is more focusing on to the personality development. Third is the achievers, who are better than the entire both the categories, where we are making them industry ready by giving the interviews skills, GD skills, and extempores, etc. We also allow them to directly link them with the industry partners and other academicians so that they go to the next level. So this is how we have made a road map for entire holistic development of the students.
Systech Business School, Real learning, real exposure, real outcomes.